can see, we've got from the server, we've got VLC streaming a film here, and that's going to the local area network, which is connected to this stack here. This is the server, and this is the client that we're streaming this to. And just to prove it's multicasting, you can see the address there that we're using. It's UDP multicasting 234.5.7.7 port 123. And this graph that you notice on here as well is this graph you notice here is an application called Multicast Hammer, and as you'll be able to see from this address, it's listening to the same address that this has been transmitted on.
Yep. That's a local IP address of that machine.
Yeah, that's a local area network.
And you can see the movie being played.
Multicasting it to a wide area network. So all these computers are connected to FTP, and as you can see, the address is 10.36.0.50 on all of them. Yeah. And this is also using the same multicast stream of 234.5.7.7 port 123, which, as you can see again, is with using Multicast Hammer. It's using the same address, and that's why it's picking up these packets.
Group address, isn't it?
I'm going to demonstrate Multicast FTP, which is using an application called UFTP. It's a bit misleading because you might think that's also a unicast FTP, but it actually stands for UDP FTP. And basically we found that it does transfer over faster than standard FTP. So to demonstrate, we're going to FTP service pack 3 over like we did in the unicast transfer, and time it, and previous tests have shown that it takes about 40 seconds to transfer to all three computers. Just to prove that it does transfer the file over, I'm going to show you the directory that it gets copied to, which is C temp is actually empty. So I'll just do a directory on all three machines. Right. Right, we need to start the UFTP daemon on each of the machines so it listens on the port and interface, so that the server UFTP program can send it to it, and it'll be picked up on the machine. So let's change directory. We'll just show you on one machine, to save time. Right, change the directory. We're at the server side now. I'm going to start this program called just simply UFTP with these switches set, and as you can see, you've got your host names of all three addresses of all the three computers across the network. And like I say, I'm going to copy service pack 3. So here goes. Right, we'll start it. Here goes then. And it is on a multicast address, as you can see, in the multicast range.
Do you want to just talk and say what it's doing now?
Yeah, it's gone through the first stage where it announces itself, as you can see here, to make contact with the clients, and then it's with each pass it gets acknowledgement packets to say it's been received okay, and the number of NACs you get depends on the size of the file, and like we said in the unicast FTP,
so that's at the bottom saying is finished and is actually...
Oh, we didn't time it, did we? It says it takes about 28 seconds, but I believe that's the transfer time. In previous tests, it's taken about 40 seconds.
Okay.
Well, just to prove it's copied the files over and it's copied the files correctly, we'll show you the directory. So he's up to product, he's up to temp. Yeah. There you go. Service pack 3. Do the same one here. Temp. Yeah. Up there. See. Temp. Yeah. And there they all are. And just to prove that it has transferred it over correctly, as I say, we'll run the file, yeah. And as you can see, it's running perfectly fine. And we'll do the same on the other two as well. And there we go. So it's all transferred correctly over, as you'd want, with a reliable transfer protocol. And that's it basically.